Can artificial intelligence, AI, really bring about social progress and replace certain things in our lives? The answer is both exciting and complex. As we delve into the world of AI, we discover its incredible potential to revolutionize various aspects of society. From enhancing our daily tasks to reshaping entire industries, AI is poised to make a significant impact. But how does it all work, and what can we expect in the future? Let's explore these fascinating questions and uncover the transformative power of AI. Understanding generalization in AI. At the heart of AI's progress lies the concept of generalization, where AI systems learn to apply knowledge from one situation to another. Much like a student preparing for an exam, AI strives to generalize by understanding core principles rather than memorizing specific instances. This ability is crucial for AI to handle new challenges effectively, even in unfamiliar contexts. As researchers refine AI algorithms to enhance generalization, we move closer to creating systems that can learn and adapt autonomously, ushering in a new era of intelligent technology poised to revolutionize industries and everyday tasks alike. The role of data in AI development. Data fuels the advancement of AI, serving as the foundation upon which machine learning algorithms operate. The more data an AI system processes, the better it can learn and make decisions. Currently, AI systems rely heavily on vast data sets to achieve accurate results, but there is ongoing research to improve efficiency and reduce dependency on extensive data requirements. Future innovations in data management and utilization will be pivotal in enhancing AI's capabilities across diverse applications, from healthcare diagnostics to autonomous vehicles, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and societal benefit. Creative applications of AI. In the realm of creativity, AI's potential shines through generative models that produce art, music, and literature. These models operate by learning patterns and styles from existing data, enabling them to create new and unique content autonomously. While AI-generated creativity may not yet rival human artistry, it offers unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and exploration in creative industries. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect further advancements in generative capabilities, blurring the lines between human creativity and machine intelligence, and inspiring new forms of artistic expression and innovation. The complexity and potential of neural networks. Neural networks, the backbone of modern AI, mimic the human brain's interconnected structure to process vast amounts of data and perform complex tasks. Despite their complexity, neural networks excel in tasks requiring pattern recognition, language processing, and decision-making. As researchers delve deeper into neural network architecture and optimization techniques, we uncover new capabilities and applications for AI in fields ranging from healthcare to finance. Understanding and harnessing the potential of neural networks is essential for unlocking AI's full potential and addressing societal challenges with innovative solutions. Advancements from OpenAI, Clip, and DALL-E. OpenAI's Clip and DALL-E exemplify groundbreaking advancements in AI that bridge the gap between text and images. Clip learns to associate textual descriptions with visual content, while DALL-E generates images from textual prompts. These models showcase AI's ability to understand and generate multimodal data, opening avenues for enhanced communication and creativity. By integrating textual and visual information, Clip and DALL-E pave the way for AI systems capable of more intuitive interactions and applications in fields such as content creation, design, and media. Combining modalities for better understanding. The convergence of multiple data modalities, text, images, audio, represents a significant advancement in AI's ability to comprehend and interpret diverse information sources. Models like Clip and DALL-E demonstrate how AI can leverage multimodal learning to enhance its understanding of the world. By processing and correlating different types of data, AI systems can achieve deeper insights and make more informed decisions. This holistic approach mirrors human cognition, where we integrate sensory inputs to form a cohesive understanding of our surroundings. As AI continues to evolve, multimodal learning will play a pivotal role in expanding its capabilities and applications across various domains. The importance of embodied AI. Embodied AI represents a paradigm shift towards AI systems that interact with and learn from their physical environments. By embodying AI in robots and devices capable of sensing and acting in the real world, researchers aim to enhance AI's understanding and adaptation to dynamic environments. This approach not only improves AI's ability to perform tasks autonomously, but also fosters human-like behaviors and interactions. As embodied AI technologies advance, we envision applications in healthcare, robotics, and assistive technologies where intelligent systems can assist and augment human capabilities in meaningful ways. Data and algorithms, the twin pillars of AI progress. The evolution of AI hinges on advancements in both data management and algorithmic development. While data provides the fuel for AI's learning and decision-making processes, algorithms serve as the engine that transforms raw data into actionable insights. Innovations in data collection, storage, and analysis are essential for optimizing AI performance and scalability. Simultaneously, breakthroughs in algorithmic techniques such as deep learning and reinforcement learning enable AI systems to tackle increasingly complex tasks with efficiency and accuracy. By advancing both data and algorithms, we pave the way for AI technologies that drive innovation and address societal challenges across diverse domains. Efficient use of compute resources. Optimizing the computational resources required for AI training and deployment is crucial for scaling AI technologies effectively. As AI models grow in size and complexity, researchers explore methods to improve computational efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Innovations in hardware architecture, parallel processing, and algorithmic optimization play key roles in maximizing the performance of AI systems while minimizing resource requirements. By leveraging compute resources more efficiently, we can accelerate AI development and deployment across industries, unlocking new opportunities for innovation and societal impact. Biological inspiration in AI. While AI draws inspiration from biological processes, it aims to surpass biological limitations and achieve unprecedented levels of intelligence and functionality. By studying biological systems, researchers gain insights into efficient information processing, adaptation to environments, and learning from experience. These insights inform the design of AI algorithms and architectures, enhancing their ability to mimic and surpass human capabilities in specific tasks. As AI continues to evolve, the synergy between biological principles and technological innovation will drive advancements in AI's performance, usability, and integration into everyday life. The path forward, combining methods and data. Looking ahead, the future of AI lies in integrating advancements in data management, algorithmic development, and computational efficiency. By combining these elements, researchers and developers can create AI systems that are not only more powerful and versatile, but also more ethical and beneficial to society. Innovations in AI ethics, transparency, and accountability will be crucial for ensuring that AI technologies serve humanity's best interests while minimizing risks and maximizing benefits. As we navigate the evolving landscape of AI, collaboration across disciplines and industries will be essential for shaping a future where AI enhances human potential and fosters sustainable progress. AI's journey towards social progress and innovation is promising yet challenging. As we harness its potential through improved generalization, data utilization, and creative applications, AI will continue to reshape industries and enhance our daily lives. By embracing these advancements and exploring new frontiers in technology, we pave the way for a future where AI plays a pivotal role in driving societal change and prosperity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI in our evolving world.